Hey, it's your name here. And let's be real for a sec. Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly hustling, yet never quite reaching that beautiful peak of productivity? Do you ever wish there were more hours in the day? Well, gorgeous, you are so not alone. That's why today we're diving headfirst into 10 powerful, practical tips that'll help you totally transform how you work. We're talking about strategies that will unleash your inner efficiency ninja, allowing you to conquer your to-do list while feeling energized and empowered. Get ready to unlock a whole new level of productivity because we're about to banish overwhelm and make you the boss of your time. Are you ready? Let's do this. First things first, my friend, we gotta prioritize. It's time to ditch that scattered, where do I even begin feeling. Think of your to-do list like a garden. You wouldn't plant seeds randomly, right? You'd focus on the most important ones that'll yield the biggest, juiciest results. It's the same with your work. Identify those mission-critical tasks that'll make the biggest impact on your goals. Those are your VIPs, your very important priorities. Listen up, because this is a big one. We're living in a golden age of technology, and there are so many incredible tools and apps out there just waiting to become your new BFF. Embrace them. Think project management apps to keep you beautifully organized, time-tracking software to pinpoint your productivity sweet spots, or automation tools to banish those tedious, repetitive tasks. Trust me, this is about working smarter, not harder. I know, you're thinking, Marie, breaks? But I have so much to do. Hear me out. Taking regular breaks is like hitting the refresh button on your brain. Seriously, those short breaks throughout the day can work wonders for your productivity and creativity. Step away from your desk, get outside for a quick walk, or just close your eyes and breathe deep. You'll come back feeling recharged and ready to rock. Chapter 4, Delegate Like a Boss. Listen, you are not a one-person show, my friend, and trying to do everything yourself is a recipe for burnout. I give you full permission to release the reins. Delegating tasks to others is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. It allows you to focus on your zone of genius, while freeing up your time and energy for the things you do best. So, take a look at your to-do list. What can you hand off to someone else? Chapter 5. Set goals that light you up. Having crystal clear, super specific goals is like having a compass guiding you towards your dreams. Without them, it's easy to feel lost at sea. Take some time to define exactly what you want to achieve and break those big, audacious goals down into smaller, more manageable steps. This will not only keep you laser-focused, but it'll also give you a beautiful sense of accomplishment as you check those milestones off your list. Chapter 6. The Art of No. This one's all about setting healthy boundaries, my love. You are a finite being with limited time and energy. It's time to stop overcommitting and spreading yourself too thin. Learning to say no to requests that don't align with your priorities is a game changer. It's about protecting your precious time and energy for the things that truly matter. Remember, a well-placed no is a beautiful act of self-love. Chapter 7. Batch it up, baby. Have you ever noticed how much more you get done when you're in a state of flow? Batching similar tasks together is like unlocking that productivity superpower. Instead of jumping between different types of work, group similar tasks together. For example, dedicate a specific time block to answer emails, another to write content, and another to make phone calls.